Hey Felicia, so my car's in service right now, but I'm looking for my mom for a new car. She really wants style, she wants tech, she wants space and power.
Oh, okay.
What is this something that she might like?
Well, this is a GLB 250.
Okay.
It gives you a good amount of space and a good amount of power as well as tech.
Okay.
It's our second in our lineup, so it is our second smallest SUV.
Okay, that might be a little bit too small. What about this one over here?
That's a good question. This is a GLC 300. So
Okay.
again, this is going to be our third in the lineup. It's more of our mid-size compact SUV, offering you a good amount of performance, but a great amount of tech.
Okay, and can I get this in an AMG or is this the only trim they have?
So there is an option to upgrade for more power, of course.
Okay.
There is the GLC 43 and the GLC 63.
Okay, cool. What do you think she might like?
I think she might like this car over here.
Okay.
So this is our GLE 63.
Okay, and where does this line up in Mercedes lineup? Is this bigger than the two cars we just saw?
It is. So
Okay.
this is going to be upwards of the bigger size SUVs. So
Okay.
it goes GLE and then GLS, which is our biggest.
Okay.
This car is a V8 bi-turbo, offering around 600 horsepower. So
Okay, I think that'll be plenty for her.
size and performance.
Okay.
And then our technology. I mean, it has Apple CarPlay, which is standard, wireless as well, Android Auto,
Okay.
of course, if she had either or. And it has ambient lighting on the interior, which is another cool feature.
Now, we have a really tight garage and a really tight driveway to get down to the house. Does this have cameras and sensors so she can use that?
It does. It has 360 view, so
Beautiful.
bird's eye view for the camera, as well as the parking sensors on all areas.
Okay, and what about lighting?
So it does have the LED headlights in itself on the exterior, and then
Okay.
on the interior you have ambient lighting with the option to choose from multiple different colors.
Does this car have auto high beam?
It does, yeah.
All right, cool. What about safety? Is there like a collision avoidance? Is there lane keep? Is she gonna be safe on the road?
Of course she is. So we
Okay.
do offer brake assist, which is standard, as well as we have stop and go assist, lane changing and lane keeping assist, steering assist, and parking assist.
Okay, and then inside, I can see that there's a beautiful macchiato interior, which I think she'll really like.
Yeah.
But are those memory seats? Because we're not the same size.
They definitely are. So you do have the option to set 3 presets for memory seating.
Okay, and are they heated and cooled?
Yes, you do
Okay,
have the option.
and massaging?
Yes, of course.
All right, awesome. I think she's really gonna like this one. So when my car's done in service, I'll bring her in and we'll take a look.
Absolutely, let's do it.
Awesome.